a vital landlord legal update, plus my property market forecast specifically for landlords, and my 5-step guide to protecting yourself and preparing yourself for the Renters Reform Bill. Now, I initially made that guide just for my existing landlords, but I'm going to share that with everybody on my free webinar on the 30th of April at 7 p.m. I'm going to put a link in the description below or in the comments, so reserve your place today because I can't hold it open forever. I can only have a certain number of people on that webinar. Now, the Renters Reform Bill is going to be the biggest change that landlords have ever seen in the private rented sector. So join me on my free webinar on the 30th of April, 7 p.m. I'll see you there.